Welcome to the presentation Explanation Based Learning, or it is also known as EBL. An explanation based learning system accepts an example and explains what it learns from the example. Explanation based learning is also known as explanation based generalization, is an algorithm for explanation based learning that is described by Mittal at 1986. The objective of explanation-based learning is to formulate a generalized explanation to the goal concept. The explanation-based learning consists of two steps. One is the explanation method and the second one is generalized method. During the first step, the domain theory is used to prove away all the unimportant aspects of training examples with respect to the goal concept. On the second step, that is generalized method, is to generalize the explanation as far as possible which still describes the goal concept. The four basic requirements of the kind of information must be known to learner in advance for explanation-based learning are a formal statement of the goal concept to be learned, at least one positive training examples of the concept. Third one is the domain theory which relates to the concept and training examples, and the last one is criteria for concept operations. So the working principle is we are given four components. One is the goal, which is usually represented in predicated calculus statement or proportional calculus statements. Second one is the situation descriptions, that are the facts. Domain theory, which contains the set of inference rules, and operationality criterions. Use problem solver to justify using rules the goal in terms of the facts. Generalize the justification as much as possible. The operationality criterion states which other terms can be appear in the generalized result. Examples. Consider the problem of learning the concept of bucket. We want to generalize from a single example of a bucket. At first, collect the following. That is the input example. It is represented in predicated calculus, which having an owner, has a part, is an object, it contains color, etc. All these are defined there. Then the domain knowledge we are represented with inference rule, and we are using three inference rule. For one is liftable, second one is stable, and third one is open vessel. So if it is liftable means it having a handle there. So it should be deep and has a part A and B and having a handle there. Then it's stable means it has parts there and the part is bottom and is flat there. And it is open vessel means it has a upward pointing. It has parts and it has upward pointing there. The goal is to describe the bucket. So B is a bucket if it is liftable, stable and open vessel. The description of the concept, these are expressed clearly structured form like deep, flat and round, can be expressed as in the given diagram. So for a bucket object, it can be described in three terms. One is liftable, stable and open vessel. Thank you.